I must look really pale.
What's up, y'all?
I forgot what I'm doing. Using window lights to make it look like we're somewhere better than the Northampton High Street with this one. Are you just posing now?
Of course.
I look like a ghost.
She's a ghost.
So we're in Northampton shooting on the 50mm, the 35mm with the Omni Filter from Lensbaby. You make me look really short.
Yeah? Wait. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's better. Twat. Using the Omni Filter to make light reflections and refractions. So this is it without, and then you can add the. Show you what it does. There we go. Using the Metro Bank now.
Yo.
Yo. Okay, so white light, not my favourite to photograph. Let's see if we can get anything. So what you want to do is get the reflection in the glass and make sure you don't get them, because you can see, here I am from a ghost. Don't look. But what's great is because you use a shallow depth of field, all of this stuff here becomes sort of bokeh balls and colour feeds, and then use the Omni filters to reflect that. So you can, if you like, cover up the ugliness. And because you're using such a shallow depth of field, this side isn't what it looks like. Nice catch lights if you like, or reflections in glasses. And then if you move, you can use the light behind to give them some separation from the background. Let's just film it. Outside of Specsavers for Metro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell button. See you soon. Where's he gone? Oh my god.